Good evening, namaste, sat sri akal. It has been really long. So today we are going to talk that why do we need proteins in our every meal, and it should be an integral part of our diet. So by now you must have been, many of you follow me on Insta and FB. Some of you are on my Thrive group. If you are not, do let me know. Ping me. I'll add you to the group where I definitely update all the information on nutrition and fitness. So हमने कभी टेक्स्ट बुक में पढ़ा होगा कि प्रोटीन्स आर द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ। तो ये बिल्कुल सही पढ़ा था, लेकिन हमने सिर्फ पढ़ के छोड़ दिया। वी डिड नॉट अप्लाई इन आवर लाइव्स। सो फ्रॉम many functions, many important functions of the body, to some of the hormones in the body are protein. So for people who are concerned about वेट लॉस, फैट लॉस, जो दुबले पतले होना चाहते हैं लेकिन क्रैश डाइटिंग करके नहीं, सही तरीके से खा के अपने आप को, अपनी मसल्स को बचा के, हाउ विल यू have a sustainable weight loss? Number one choice for you should be protein. Your topmost priority while serving your plate should be protein, because देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज थर्मिक इफेक्ट ऑफ फूड। इसका मतलब ये है कि आप जो खाना खाते हो उस खाने को पचाने के लिए आपकी बॉडी उसे बर्न करती है, कैलोरीज बर्न करती है, जिससे कि आपका जो है वज़न कम हो सकता है। सो इसके लिए नंबर वन चॉइस है प्रोटीन, क्योंकि प्रोटीन को पचाने के लिए, तोड़ने के लिए बॉडी को बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ता है। That is also the reason why you will stay full for a longer period of time if you have a good quality protein in your meals. Say for example, if on some days I'm just eating dal chawal or idli sambar or a plain roti sabzi, I'm hungry in the next 2 hours, or sometimes even one and a half hour. So I definitely make it a point to improve the satiety of the meals and to binge less on the food. Protein is an integral part of every meal, and when we give protein in the small installments, it will also help us to digest the protein better. It will help to create a positive nitrogen balance in the body, which will definitely work on the repair, maintenance and renewal of the cells. हमारे बॉडी का जो सेल टर्नओवर है वो बढ़ जाता है। Now protein is also very important if we talk about insulin resistance and diabetics, because protein takes such a long time to digest. When we combine protein with a meal, it will definitely slow down the speed of the sugar spike. This is where you will need protein for the slow sugar release, for the diabetics, for the insulin resistance, for the PCOS, for the PCOD, right? Next is, even if we are talking about thyroid, so T3 जो हार्मोन है, ट्राई आयोडोथायरोनिन, उसके लिए जो रॉ मटेरियल होता है दैट इज टायरोसिन, विच इज वन ऑफ द अमाइनो एसिड इन द ग्रुप ऑफ proteins. So we see there are so many things that protein can deal with when it comes to our body. Then some of you really want to have a good skin, uh, luscious soft skin, good hair quality, good nails. तो ऑल दिस हेयर, नेल, स्किन, इसमें एक ना अलग तरीके से अलग अलग अमाइनो एसिड्स बॉडी यूज़ करती है। से फॉर एग्जांपल केराटिन जो बनता है प्रोटीन से। सो you may see how critical is to include a good quality protein in your meals. Then if I talk about children, if they are seeking a good growth, a good height, a good muscle mass from the early stages of their life, you should focus on the protein content and quality of the kids really well. And lastly, that I would like to say is, apart from all this, apart from all the essential functions that protein does, is it will really help you to keep full, and you will have less cravings in the long run. So please do include a good quality protein in your meals, and do let me know what difference does it makes to you. If you are a vegetarian, include the veg sources. If you are a non-vegetarian, well, you have so many sources to include in all the meals, and go very very slow. Usually the recommended RDA is around 0.8 grams per kg, but it is very low. We need something more than that. If you have been having complete blank meals, my advice is to go very very slow, because you may have you don't have the habit of having so much of protein in your meals, then it will just disturb your gut and the digestive function. So somewhere you can start with including very small proteins in your meals, say little bit of one egg here and there, a little bit of soya chunks, or if you want to rely on an easy source, then it could be a whey supplement in your case, or a vegan plant protein, which will help you with all this. So for good sugar control, good hair, good skin, do include proteins and let me know. Namaskar. Namo Narayana.